Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's photo editing tools. Here on the page is an image, select it, and in the top toolbar select edit, and this opens up the editor. Now in the editor you can go to adjustments, so select adjust, and this opens up the adjustment tool. Here you can choose to edit a select area of the photo. So you can choose to click and edit a specific area. You can click on the area to adjust it. And here you can go and make any adjustments that you see necessary. You can select another area and you can apply the same edits to it. And once you're done, you can click the arrow to go back. You can even switch to using the brush, the foreground or the background, even text. If you want to reset the adjustments that you've made, you can simply come to the bottom and select reset adjustment, and that will undo the adjustment that was made before. You can even select auto adjust to do a simple quick edit, or you can manually go in and toggle with these bars to adjust the white balance, the lights, the color, the vibrance, the texture, and so on. Coming out of the adjustment layer, you can go down to Magic Studio and just play with these studios. You can also sample with the filters, you can sample with the effects, and so on. Here are apps provided that you can use to edit your photos into a creative way. So to go back over these, the adjustments corrects brightness, saturation, tint, and blur. Filters are used to apply preset filters for quick stylistic changes. The effects is a pro feature. It is used to explore advanced tools like background removal. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.